Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. C Lion 2025 or newer, Xcode command line tools, homebrew and git installed. Once done, install a JDK 11 Plus if using Java build tools. Next, launch C Lion and choose New Project. Pick CMake and a language template to get a working C make lists. TXT. Make sure the toolchain shows Apple Clang or your installed GCC. If the toolchain is missing, pause and install Xcode tools, as C Lion relies on those compilers and headers. Once the project exists, configure CMake profiles. Choose Debug for development and Release for production. Select Ninja for faster builds if available. Then set SDK and compiler paths in Preferences right arrow build, execution, deployment, confirm CMake C compiler and CMake CXX compiler point to Apple Clang or Brew GCC. Sync CMake and let C Lion index the project. Now enable C Lion's code analysis and set breakpoints. Hit Run to build, use the Debug tool window to step, inspect variables, and evaluate expressions to understand program flow. To finish, switch to the release profile and create run configurations or export your binary artifacts. Once done, run a full clean and rebuild to verify behavior. If you encounter problems, rerun CMake and invalidate C Lion caches, sometimes removing. IDEA and re-importing the project fixes stale settings. Make sure compilers and SDKs are installed and on path. If build errors persist, inspect the build and console output. Missing headers or linker flags point to include paths or library.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.